I tried eToro Money crypto wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the eToro Money wallet, I assumed it would be just another exchange-linked app. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that it's much more polished and flexible than I expected, especially for investors already in the eToro ecosystem. On day 1, I linked my eToro trading account to the Money wallet. Instantly, my crypto holdings appeared in one place. The interface was sleek, minimalistic, and designed for simplicity, perfect for both new users and experienced traders. By day 2, I tested crypto transfers. You can withdraw crypto bought on eToro straight into the wallet, and even send it externally to another address. However, here's where it gets interesting. Once it's in the wallet, you can swap between supported coins directly. Most people get this wrong. They think eToro's wallet locks your funds inside its system, but you actually have control once it's transferred. Midweek, I explored the fiat options. The wallet isn't just for crypto. You can also send, receive, and hold multiple currencies. It's like having a hybrid between a bank app and a crypto wallet. By day 5, I checked transaction security. All transfers required biometric authentication, and eToro's regulatory backing gave a strong sense of legitimacy. This isn't some random decentralized app, it's fully licensed, which gives peace of mind to users who want stability. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. The eToro Money wallet isn't for hardcore crypto purists, it's for people who want a secure bridge between traditional finance and crypto. If you're an investor looking for safety, simplicity, and full integration with your trading portfolio, the eToro Money wallet could be exactly what you need.